I'm here at the terrain park with my snowboard, practicing my jumps. That was awesome. For me, that was a big jump because I'm still learning. Let me show you how I progressed to that point with practice earlier in the day. When you're still learning to jump, you don't want to hit that big jump right away. You want to start with smaller jumps that have less penalty when you do make a mistake. Start hitting the knuckle or the side hits. You can treat the side hits like a hip jump, where you have to jump up in the air, change the angle of your board, and land properly. You can also try 180s when you try to hit these hips, which makes it a lot of fun to vary your activity. At the rails, they have these small jumps which professionals use to jump in the air and land on the rail. I can't do that, so what I'm trying to do is to use these small jumps to practice jumping. What I want to do is try to get the muscle memory and just repeat these features on the terrain park over and over again. What I found was it was great to approach a jump with my knees bent in an athletic stance with even weight on the front and the back foot. I'm still learning to do ollies, but that would entail leaning forwards then backwards onto your back foot. But for me at this point, I'm trying to approach a jump with an even stance right now. If I'm doing a 180, I'll have my backside or my front side biting into the snow, but if I'm just going to hit the jump, I want to hit it as flat as possible so that my body doesn't have any rotational motion or I'm not turning. Then when I'm about to hit the peak of the jump, I want to give, bend my knees quickly and then just give myself a little pop. That'll help me get into the air. And while I'm in the air, I try to adjust my snowboard to become parallel with the landing surface and then land flat as well. Don't try to have the back edge or the front edge catch. I've got this new snowboard this year. It's a Burton Custom X Flying V with a hybrid rocker shape. It's a lot more forgiving and gives you a catch-free feel. That's given me a lot more confidence to try these things. Here's one of the jumps where I messed up. I ended up leaning forward, and try not to hurt yourself. Don't stick out your arm, you might break it. But I was able to hit this jump several times and land it successfully. For the last clip, here's that big jump again. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks.